This is an interview about the health benefits we receive by being out in nature. So I'm going to ask you a few questions. Why do you go outside?
Why do I go outside?
Yeah.
I go outside because it gets my juices flowing. Every morning I go for a walk, and they have done studies and proven, actually I just read this morning, that being out in nature, going for a walk in nature stimulates the body and mind much more positively than walking on a busy street. So that's why I go in nature.
So do you do it with intention to escape like stress and thoughts, or to feel better mentally and physically, or to be social, or because it piques your curiosity?
I do it to clear my head and to get my creativity flowing, which is also a benefit of being in nature as opposed to walking through the city.
Absolutely. What are the emotions you feel before going outside versus during being outside and after being outside?
Emotions that bring me outside usually are feeling confined or stress or depression. So I go outside to get fresh air, new perspective, and to get some exercise.
Those are all good reasons. Do you think do you think the effects of being outside carry on long after you've returned indoors?
Yes, it carries on. I'm going to say no to that. I think it starts to go away pretty quickly. And that's why you feel the need to go back out in nature. The more you're exposed to nature, the more you want to be in nature.
That makes sense,
Yes.
because you've returned back into that feeling that you felt before, kind of.
That our ancestors all felt. Every day.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So, do you feel that your memories are more vivid with outside activities versus inside, or that your recall is better?
I would say I have more lasting memories of outdoor activities. And that's because most things you do outdoors are more active and more, um, like you said, social, and you
Yeah.
can do so much more outside that it makes it more memorable.
Yeah, and then it kind of clears that brain fog that and gets your blood flowing. Do you think it's a good thing or a bad thing that we're becoming less associated with nature and with more technology being incorporated into our lives every day?
I think it's awful. I think it's a terrible thing. I think that we've lost touch with who we really are as people. And I think it's starting to show up in society, with suicide rates, especially in teens. I think that social media is just about the polar opposite of where we should be as far as socializing and being out in nature. We've lost touch with all of that.
I think you're right about that. Does being outside diffuse feelings of anger, stress, sadness, or anxiety?
All of the above. Yes.
And more, right?
And more.
Do you feel like your bonds are stronger when you have outdoor memories associated with that person?
Not particularly.
No.
I would say my bonds are stronger with. Yeah, I'm gonna say no, just because I think I have my strongest bonds with people that I've spent a lot of time with indoors as well, like family and friends.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
So overall, you think being outside is good for you and your mental health and your physical?
Yeah, why don't you pan that camera around?
Yeah.
Show me one negative thing around me right now. Nothing.
So far,
Beautiful sunshine.
I am seeing nothing. I'm gonna zoom in on this.
I hear birds singing.
Deer here?
Deers walking around.
Oh, beautiful. Why wouldn't you want to be outside, right?
Apple trees.
I see
Fleas are jumping.
all sorts of beauty.
Thanks for
And
the interview.
thank you.
Good job.
Thank you.